talking a little bit of a haul. I got some products from e.l.f. as well as Shop Miss A. My order finally arrived, so I thought I'd jump on here and share with you guys what I picked up. I told you guys I'd be coming back and doing an e.l.f. try-on review, all of that. I did not want to do a first impression because I feel like I just don't do well at those. So anyways, guys, if you're interested in sticking around, I'd love to have you as part of our family. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. Over here, we embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. And let's go ahead and jump into this little haul. Okay, so this literally just arrived and I bleached it down. It sat outside, so now it is safe to open. So let's start off with our e.l.f. haul. And I can't remember what I got. Okay, so if you guys watched the last e.l.f. haul that I did, I think there's only, oh, there's things in here I forgot I got. Oh my gosh, okay. So, I love being all over the place. So if you saw my last e.l.f. haul, you guys know that I picked up the concealers everybody's talking about. So the hydrating camo concealer with a satin finish, and then the 16-hour camo concealer. So I have to say I have been trying them out with the e.l.f. foundation, and this is just the satin finish foundation in 300 sand. I really like this foundation. So, and I really liked these concealers. However, as you can see, they're too not my shade. So I did pick up what I hope to be the correct shade. So this one is medium sand. I mean, look how fair that is. Like, I just feel like that is just so fair. And then this one is medium peached, which this one matches me a little bit better. Like, I can kind of get away with this one. So I did order darker shades in here, and you can see the difference. For this one, this is medium gold. So there's definitely a difference there. So I think that this will definitely match me a lot better than this one. And then for the 16-hour, oh, this one's a lot darker. This is tan neutral, but whatever. I'm sure it'll work. So you can see a definite difference there. I definitely have a neutral undertone. I don't know if that's what these were under, you know, on the website, but I rolled with it. Today I actually, if you guys are curious, I have my Pat McGrath, what is this called? Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection foundation on. It just gives you that really nice pretty glow. And then I have my Pat McGrath concealer on somewhere in this mess. So, okay, so here's the other item. This, I was gonna use the little bite-size mini eyeshadows, but then this released and I was like, oh, you're pretty. And if you are anything like this bite-size eyeshadows, I need to have you in my life. So let's go ahead. Can we open this? I wanna open this up. I'll be coming back and doing a full e.l.f. majority, I think, of my face will be e.l.f. products. But I saw this release and I was like, oh, you're kind of speaking my language. This is pretty. Come on and open. Okay. I love her. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Swatch party. I have to touch the green. Oh, yes. And the purple. Oh, and this one. Oh, I like that. Okay. Well, that's kind of very sheer, but oh, dang. Okay, so these mattes are pretty sheer, like very, very sheer. Like really sheer, but that shimmer, hello. That's really pretty. Okay, so I'll definitely come back, do some sort of look. Kind of reminds me of, in the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda, her matte, what color was it? I don't remember, but I felt like I had to build it up a lot. I think that that's what we're gonna have to do on those, but that's okay. That's okay. I mean, that's really pretty. So I don't remember how much it was. I do know I had like a $5 off coupon. Maybe this was 14, so say I got it for 11. And then, is that it? Oh, they sent another little hand sanitizer. So that is my little e.l.f. haul. Totally forgot about that. So definitely make sure to stay tuned and subscribe if you are interested in seeing this palette in action, as well as the foundation and concealer. Like I said, I just didn't want to do a first impression, especially on a concealer or a foundation. I feel like you can kind of get away with a first impression on an eyeshadow palette, but it gets a little tricky when it comes to things like this, for me anyway. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into our Shop Miss A haul. It's not a big haul, but I wanted to pick some things up from Shop Miss A, specifically the little sponges. Mine is like, if you guys like beauty blenders, guys, those are like $20. I like them. I think that they're great, but I don't like spending $20 on like every couple months when I could spend $1.55, which actually they had a deal going on. I got a 6-pack of these for like $8. This is the AOA Studio Paw Wonder Blender. You guys, this is like the best dupe for the beauty blender known to man. Like, ignore the fact I used this today and yeah, but these are amazing, like absolutely amazing. One of my favorites. So anyways, 6-pack of these. I'll try and link everything down below for you guys if I can. Use magic links. That means they're going to be affiliate links. So if you do shop through my links, thank you so much. I use the commissions from those links, guys, to put right back into the channel to do hauls and reviews and everything for you guys. Okay, so moving right along. Oh, okay, so wow, these are a lot bigger than I thought. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a little container. This is argan oil brush soap. This was only $1.55. Part of the proceeds does go to charity. That's big. It's a bar of soap. I love these because I actually just wash my brushes over in the kitchen every day before I sit down to do my makeup. You can use your sponges and everything. Like, do you guys see that? That is so much bigger than the Beauty Blender. And these work as good as the Beauty Blender soap. So I'm just saying, I don't remember how much the Beauty Blender soap is. That's what's in my kitchen right now. But what I will tell you is I will use my Sephora points to get the Beauty soap that way. This is $1.55. Sorry, I have gamers in the house if you guys hear all that. This smells so good. I picked up 3 of them because I will tell you guys, they sell out fast. But how cute is that? Like, you just prop it right up there and it's perfect. Which, okay, this is the same. So I got 3 of the same. Did I? Yeah, they're all peach scent. They do smell really good. And it's not like an ew peachy scent. It's like a just bit into a peach kind of scent to me, but I could be wrong. I don't have the best sinuses, so. Oh, and then last but not least, I did get, oh, okay, so I got some of these eyebrow pencils. And here's the thing. They're spoolie on one side and a brow pencil on the other, but what had me so intrigued, they're literally $1. And do you see how like small and precise that is? It's just like what I'm used to with my ColourPop. And I love these. The ColourPop ones are my absolute favorite. But I wanted to try these out because, like I said, they're $1. They definitely, I feel like they'll work. They'll get the job done. But this one is in, what shade is this one? This is in taupe. And it's definitely like a warm taupe color compared to my, yeah, compared to this one is ColourPop over here. This one is the Shop Miss A. So the Shop Miss A one is definitely more of a warm color taupe, which that kind of stinks. I was hoping to dupe it for $1. But I mean, I'll probably be able to get away with it. But I did like that it had a spoolie on one side, and then I liked the fact that it was like so small and precise as well. So I'll definitely be trying that out. And then I did get a gel liner, and they were sold out. These must be so good because almost every single shade was sold out except for this one, which was like a chocolate brown. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, so this was like $1. So these must be really good. But in my head, I was thinking maybe this would be like the Maybelline gel liners that they have, but I still think that those are like $7, $8, $9. This was literally $1. I wanted black, but they didn't have it, so I got dark brown. I think this will be fine on my waterline, and I'm excited to try that out. And I think that that was it. Yeah, that was everything as far as my Shop Miss A and my e.l.f. haul went. Like I said, I'm going to be coming back. I'm going to do a full, almost a full face of e.l.f. products for you guys, and you guys will see me probably use the Shop Miss or the AOA Studio gel liner, and I will try the brown. I thought I got it in a, I did. I got it in a medium. Let's see what that, why, I don't know, because I obviously have blonde hair, but whatever. Let's try this one. Okay, so funny enough, I feel like the medium shade, I think I'm going to be able to get the medium shade to work because it's not as warm. It's almost like a cool medium shade. So I don't know. We'll definitely play around and check it out, and we will see. Anyways, guys, I still have, or I should still have, 3 giveaways going on. They end July 8th and July 11th. I will link them down in the comment section. I'll pin post it for you guys. A lot of you guys always ask where these are from. They are not IKEA drawers. They're actually from Michael's. They go on sale. They'll probably be going on sale very, very soon. They're the 5 drawers, and we just stacked them up and like locked them down, whatever, screwed them down. I did use Rakuten, and you always get cash back with Rakuten, so I'll always have my link down below for you guys on that. Everything I talked about, I will try and list and link down below for you guys as well. Like I said, they will be affiliate links, commission-based links by Magic Links. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, follow me over on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. This is like the 4th or 5th video I filmed today. My voice is shot. I want to do that palette tag video. Maybe I'll wait until tomorrow to film that. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!